So I'm back. It's been a good almost 2 months. So welcome back everyone to my YouTube channel. My name is Kayla, the creator behind Ties and Crochets and Co. And today is not a planned video. Um, I guess this could be a whip video, I guess. I think all my videos going forward are going to be whip videos, but this will also going to be packing orders with me, and we're just going to also talk. So let's start with the fact that in this bag I have chickens, a spider, and some dragons. I'm not focused on the dragons. The dragons would be a whole separate video because I think there's 3 in here, and then I have a whole bunch like in my drawer as well. So dragons will be their own video of not just whips, but of dragons that I want to make as well. Also, the one spider that will get done. I just have to find the pattern, and then I have a bunch of chickens. Like they got the eyes in them. They're not stuffed. Some of them aren't even closed, like, but these ones are. They're all at different stages. Like this one, it's done. It just needs the nose. So like they're all at different stages, all different sizes. I have the mini ones that I showed you guys. This one's done. So I don't know why it was even in the whip bag, but I'll leave it and then just keep all the chickens put together. So I have been gone for 2 months, and it is because I am pregnant. I am actually, if I'm correct, I'm 15 weeks now. So the last video I uploaded was on May 22nd, and I actually found out on the 14th, so basically a week before that video, that I was pregnant. And when I say I am exhausted, I'm exhausted. Like this pregnancy is completely opposite from when I had my son. My son got me into crocheting. I had so much energy. I was crocheting nonstop. This one, I'm sleeping all the time. Like I wake up at like 6 in the morning, and by 9 o'clock, I'm back in bed sleeping. I rather, like, I'll bring my yarn with me into my room and try to crochet while laying in bed. No, I can't have the light on. I can't have the curtains open to let natural light in. It hurts my eyes. So I'm just sleeping in the dark. The TV's on like dark mode, so it's not as bright. Like it's just, I have not been active with this pregnancy, but I am getting back into it. I did finish one of my custom orders. It shipped out. It was the dog that I told you about, the custom doodle. Finally got finished. I added in a couple more plushies for how long it has taken to finish and stuff. I did get screwed over on Etsy. I guess like I didn't. So I'm not sure how, but I guess like it has coupons set up already when you open your shop. I don't know, but there was like a thank you coupon, and because she ordered from me before, she was able to use the thank you coupon, which was like 30% off. So yeah, out of my big custom order, she got 30% off. I mean, I'm not really mad about it. I just automatically went into my uh coupons and disabled all of them and like lowered it. So there are still coupons as like a thank you and like hey, you left this in your cart and stuff, but not no 30% off. So I fixed that. So we are back. Today is Thursday. It is 2:30 p.m. and I have finally finished all of the whips that I said I was going to finish, all of the chickens. I said I wasn't going to focus on the dragons, and I didn't. I mainly focused on the chickens because I knew I had a ton of chickens. And I did tell you guys about the mallards, and I decided to just finish the mallards. I mean, I still have some mallards that are not done yet because they're not finished being like crocheted. But I didn't worry about those. I finished what was basically done. And when I say a lot of it just had to be stuff, I had to add the eyes, stuff them, and close them. That's all I had to do for a lot of stuff. So let me guys show you the bin, and then we'll get into numbers. So this is the bin. Get my thumbnail of everything that I crocheted this week. Yes, this bin took the whole week. So I did watch my last video, which was, like I said, May 22nd. And in that video, I wore this exact shirt. Hold on, my laptop wants to restart. No, do it later. Okay, so I did realize I was wearing this exact same shirt, and I was like, hey, I'm wearing the exact same shirt as I did back in May, and it was a whip video, same as this one. But anyways, so in the last video, I started that video at 159 whips, and I ended at 125. So because between that video and now, I have been trying to crochet and stopping, so I added more whips. I don't know how many, so we're starting at 125 plus whips, and the plus is going to remain there until the very end, until my big duffel bag, you can probably see it, it's like right there, you can see like the corner of it. Until that duffel bag is empty, we're going to be sitting at whatever number with a plus sign. Once that duffel bag is empty, I'll then go through my desk drawer. I have some back here. There, like this right here, this yarn, it's attached to something. This yarn right here is attached to something. In my room, I think I have about 4 projects. In my purse, I have 2. I don't know how many's in this drawer. And behind this somewhere, behind this stand, there is also 1 or 2 whips. A lot of them are new patterns that I was working on that I haven't finished. And yeah, so right now we are starting at 125 plus whips. I will show you guys what some of the chickens look like. All of them, a lot of them do look the same. Like I have a whole bunch of these mini ones, as you could see. These were like the first ones I made when I started crocheting. So this right here is Premier Just Chanel yarn that I got from Dollar Tree. And I actually still have a lot of it. It's like right behind me over here somewhere. But I made a whole bunch of these and I was like, I'll make them into keychains. And then all I had to do was add the, guys, I don't know what this part is called. I haven't, it's just killing me. But all I had to do was add the red in the beak and I just never did it. So they're finally done. Next, I have 2 of these gray ones. It wasn't until I went to put the beak on that I realized that my eyes were uneven. And I said, I don't think there's nothing I can do about it right now because it was already closed and everything. So yeah, and then of course I'll show you guys the spider so I can move it out the way. We have ourselves here a spider. My son did get his hands on it. So if you look closely, you can see the little hole right here. Yeah, he tried to take the stuffing out. So I had to hide it from him. So it's been like up on top of my desk where he can't reach. I mean, he has tried to climb my desk. So I have to leave it dark in the living room. And I don't know if you can hear my fan. It's very hot in here. I didn't get an AC for the living room because I felt like once I found out I was pregnant, I kind of wanted to focus on other things than a 3rd AC for the apartment. And plus I saw how much it would cost for one for the living room compared to the one for our bedroom. So yeah, I was like, I'm most likely not going to spend any time in here. So yeah, so we got the grays, we got the whites. We have the generic browns. There's a whole bunch of polyfill and stuffing on it. But we got the browns, as you can see. And we have a whole bunch of them. And then we also got the camel ones. And all this. I will have to take a lint roller to these eventually. And then this one is my favorite. This is, I forget the name of the yarn. It was from Michael's. It's jumbo yarn. I forget the name of it. But I absolutely love this yarn. I forgot what else I made with it. But this is like, oh, I made an octopus with it. And then I made something else. But this yarn, I love it. I won't be able to get it again. So now, so I can show you everything else that's underneath the chickens. We need to dump out the chickens. So, okay, there we go. Okay, they're out of the way. So, next, after the chickens, I showed you the spider, I showed you the chickens. Now we have the mallards. This pattern is by me. The chicken was by me. Well, all the chickens were by me. And then the spider, I got off Ribbler. I don't remember the pattern. I always put my patterns like, I'm trying to map it out, like here in the corner. But we'll just go with it. So let me show you some mallards. Of course, you know I got to give them the eyebrows and the little mole. I will do it to more of them, maybe to one of each color. But of course, we got the generic colors, as you can see. Another one. And oh, don't drop. And one more. So we have 5 generic colors. There is another one, but I did run out of brown, so I can't finish that one. I need to find a different color that I could do with. And then we got, it's like a spring one. But this one is like, I didn't add the white. I kind of just did 2 colors, and it's bothering me. So I only did 2 colors instead of like the white in between. And I really like this one. This was actually for a different pattern. And well, yes, this was actually for a different pattern. I had combined with my mallard pattern, but it came out too big. So I had to use it elsewhere. Next, we have like a light green color, 2 shades of green. And then we got 2 shades of purple. And last but not least, I need to clean these up, 2 shades of pink. Now, I am working on some more in different colors. I don't know when those will get done. Maybe next week. I'm not sure. I think next week I want to focus on dragons or turtles, one or the other. But I also did get another custom order that I will be working on, so we'll figure that out. But wait, I want to also get a picture of the mallards. So maybe like just one of each color. Just balance on my hand if you can. There we go. And I can just screenshot that. So yeah, I need to put this down. I am losing my energy. I'm losing my energy. So yeah, so in total, in that little basket, we had a total of 33 chickens, 1 spider, and 12 mallards, totaling out to 46 whips. So we started off with 125 plus whips, and we are ending at 79 plus whips. So it was definitely an improvement. I don't know when the next time I will tackle more whips. As much as I want to get that bag done, my priorities are kind of mixed because I want to focus on, I have a new custom order and I need to finish packing these up, get them tagged, get that shipped out. I have so many unfinished projects that I need to finish working on. Well, whips, of course, but the unfinished projects are all new patterns that I'm also trying to work on. I do have some that are finished. I just have to remake it to take pictures. So I am all over the place. I haven't tested it, but I want to get back to painting my safety eyes, but nope, still too strong. So I won't get back to painting safety eyes yet. But yeah. So another thing that I will be working on is I will be getting these going. I'm about to start making a whole bunch of weird faces. I had to figure it out. I was like, okay, I need to end it. I just destroyed myself in my whole work area. So I just had to find out if I could use nail polish again because I also want to paint my nails, but I haven't been able to. So, but yeah, let me also show you guys some yarn that I got. So I got this off of Amazon because I needed orange for my next pattern I'm making, which is also a custom order. It's called the palettes, if it could clear. And this one is, where is it? This is, it doesn't really tell you. Well, this is 74 yards. It's supposed to be chunky yarn, blanket yarn. And it says use a 4mm hook. I don't use 4mm hooks, but it comes in a set of 3, and it was $10, $9.99. So I got it because I didn't need that much. But I also want to make maybe a blanket for my daughter since my son does have a blanket. His was a granny square, like a very large granny square. I don't think I'm gonna do a granny square. So I also got this off of Amazon. It did come today, so it is all scrunched up and stuff. This one is, I don't know if I could get the label clear. Let me just stretch it out and then see if I could. There you go. And it is like it's supposed to be like a rose pink. It's super fine. It said weight 4, but I think this is way skinnier than weight 4. So, and this one is 158.6 yards. So the description said weight 4. This doesn't look like weight 4. I do have weight 4 yarn, so I could probably just test it and see. Yeah, I mean, it is a little skinnier. Yeah, it's a little bit skinnier, but I think it will still work. So I don't know where my priorities lie right now. I want to make a dragon for my son and daughter. I want to make probably a bunny in overalls. Well, wait, what was the January pattern? It was a cat. It was Nova the cat in overalls. I will be making another Nova the cat in overalls because my daughter will be born in January. My son's birthday is in October, but he got Clover the Frog, which was March. So I do want to get him another one for October. And I think October, well, oh, no. October is this pattern that I'm making. I'm starting on my Halloween patterns, okay? Which, like I said, is also a custom order. So yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I'm back, but I'm not fully back. I was really tired this week, and it took me a lot of energy and vanilla milk to get up and sit in front of this camera. And I am ready to just lay down. Like, my son is in his room for a nap. I think I probably have maybe about 35 to 45 minutes before he starts calling me. So I want to go take a nap. So thank you guys for watching. I will be back maybe next week. I don't know with what. Maybe more whips. Maybe I make something new. We don't know. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. And have a nice day.